Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today's video is again sitting down on the floor, new background, because we are unboxing the BoxyLuxe. You guys have already seen videos going up on this, but I'm really excited to see what is in mine. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I do not peek and I have no clue. I don't look at the emails and I don't watch other people's videos until after I have unboxed mine. So if you are new to what Boxycharm BoxyLuxe is, this is a subscription service. It is quarterly. Whew, I had to think. I was like, wait a minute. I just filmed my FabFitFun box, guys, and so I'm still like stuck on that. But anyways, this is also about a $50 a month box, or not month, quarterly. Hi, welcome to the Hotmess Express. Want to subscribe? Stick around? Yeah, that'd be great. Okay guys, so I'm gonna jump right into this box. Don't forget, there's still a giveaway going on my channel until July 8th. If you check my description box down below, you'll find the video link. Go over to that video and that's how you enter to win in the giveaway. So anywho, this is what the inside of the BoxyLuxe looks like. So it's packed with some goodies in here. You do get a little postcard, and on the back of the postcard, it does like give you a description of everything as well as how much it costs, and the theme is a Boxycharm getaway. So yes. Ooh, the first thing I see is the living proof. I am like really excited, guys. Full dry volume blast. So is this a texture? It's a texturizing volume spray and finishing spray. So I guess like a hairspray maybe. I don't know. I don't know how to make this camera not focus on anything else, but apparently this. I don't know. Okay, so we got that. The next item we got is a No Problem Prime Essence. Wait, what? We've gotten a primer before. Is this something different? Ooh. I know nothing at all about this. You know what I love? Is it has the manufacturer date as well as the expiration date. With all the drama that is circulating about expired lipstick, we love this. Okay, so never heard of that, but excited about it. Let me go ahead and give you guys the prices. The Living Proof, it looks like, if I could find it, this retails for $29. The Living Proof volumizing spray or texture spray, hairspray, I don't know. And then the Touch and Soul is $23 for this primer. Mind you, I spent like $50 for it. Okay, so the next item I see is something. I see something. What are you? Oh, Good Vibes Mascara? What? It's by Trace, you know, a typical brand that I can't enunciate. Oh, great. Now my battery is dying. So I guess this is some sort of mascara. Flip down to curl. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can curl your lashes on one side and then you apparently put the mascara on the other side. That's pretty nifty. This actually retails for $25. Okay, so the next item, what is this? This is heavy. Okay guys, so I'm back. I changed the battery and I'm probably, the frame is completely different than me. Such a professional. Okay, so this is the next item that I got. PYT. Is this like something that they had given us before? It's a mini turbo on the go hair dryer. Are you kidding me? It retails for $85. I want to say that they had given us before little, oh my god, this is adorable. Their straightener. How flippin' adorable is this? This is perfect. We're getting ready to go on vacation. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. How cute is this? No. Oh my lord, look guys, it comes with these little doodads. I don't even know how they work. I mean, they attach, I know that, but I don't really know what they're supposed to do because I never use those attachments on my hair dryers. Yeah, well that's awesome. That retails for $85. The next item we got is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So full size. So that's pretty amazing. This actually retails for, oh, $58. Wow, that's expensive. That's really expensive. Okay, yay! I am so excited about this. Okay, so every so often, Boxycharm will send you an email and say, hey, we're curating your BoxyLuxe. Okay, I'm fibbing. I don't really know if it's that detailed, but they'll say something to, you've got an option for your BoxyLuxe. Do you want A or do you want B? And the A and B this time was the Tarte, it was something that had been around for a while, or the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. And I chose that I would prefer this, but it wasn't like a guarantee or something. I don't know. I don't have this, so I'm so excited. I am so excited to get it because it's so pretty. Okay, that was a little obnoxious. I would like to apologize to all of my earbud users, but look how beautiful this is. Like, I know I've seen it on sale for like $27, $28, guys, but I still hadn't picked it up, and it doesn't have a scent. But oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It does retail for $45. Like I said, I have seen it on sale, but I am really excited to get into this bad boy. I am so excited about that. Okay, another item that we did receive is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh. What is up with this? Did you guys watch my FabFitFun video? If that's not up, it's coming. But it was like all about facial sprays. Not mad about it. We love that. So I've never tried this brand before. Again, that's one of the nice things about subscription services is it gives you the opportunity to try brands that you've never heard of before or maybe too expensive, and you don't really want to like bite the bullet on that right away. You kind of want to like test it out or something. This is a great way to do that. The next item I did get is by Dr. Brandt. It's the Clean Biotic pH Yogurt Cleanser. Wow, that's awesome. It's looks to be, I would say, a full size. I don't know. Hi, focus, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We appreciate when you do your job. It looks like this one actually retails for $35. And then the last item that I got, I am really excited to see something like this in a subscription service. This is a Jaclyn Cosmetics Peach Tea Lip Gloss. I think it's a lip gloss. This is actually from her, I think this was in the summer collection. This is really pretty, guys. Isn't that such a pretty color? That's like right up my alley too. Let's see. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Oh yeah, I like that. It's a really nice light scent, but a really yummy, delicious scent. I like that a lot. Okay, so mind you guys, this was a $50 box, because I say 50 because there was like tax, because I'm in Kentucky and Kentucky charges tax. Let me go ahead and I am going to tell you guys, I'm going to add everything up and I'm going to let you know how much this ended up costing me. Okay guys, so like I said, this box is $49.99. No. This box is actually about $50. I want to say like maybe $52. Don't quote me on that. But like I said, tax in Kentucky is a little bit different. But that's what it cost me, and a grand total of everything in the box does claim to be $352. Now, to give you guys my thoughts on this, I think this box was absolutely excellent. I love everything in it. I will use everything in it. One thing I will say is sometimes, for example, prices on things go on sale. So even though it's giving you the full price of like $45, you can sometimes get some of these things a little bit less expensive. I'm a little shocked. I don't know much about this particular brand, so to see it's $85 seems a bit much to me. But overall, with everything that I did get, I do think it was a really good deal this month, and I'm quite shocked. I'm really shocked. I'm really happy. I will say that. So anyways, guys, if you are interested in getting your own Boxycharm or BoxyLuxe subscription, again, I'm not sponsored. I'll have a link to my Boxycharm down below. The nice thing about Boxycharm is if you use somebody's referral link, typically not only just you, but they also get a little freebie too as well. And you do earn Charmer Rewards points, and you can go into the Boxycharm store and pick things up. So anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give me a big thumbs up. and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll have some other videos pop up here. I have all kinds of videos on my channel, guys. Everything from is it a dupe or just a waste of money to subscription unboxes, as well as talking about the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks. So anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to my lovely Patreon family, Cami, Rachel, and Maria. Thank you guys so much for being part of the Patreon team over there. If you guys are interested in being part of my Patreon squad, check my description box down below and become one as well. And anyways, guys, I have a child over here to my right side who needs my attention, so I'm gonna hop off. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Feel free to watch some more of my content and check my description box for all kinds of good, nice information. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.